Hey everybody, welcome back, and today we are going to be installing new lights, interior lights and exterior lights for the Honda Ridgeline. So I'm using the Bright Shine LED lights. Comes in a pack of 10, and we'll walk you guys through how to install these. Let's take a look at them quickly. So this is what they look like, and should make it a lot more brighter, because right now it's kind of dull inside the truck. So alright, let's get started. Alright, so first things first is we're going to pry out the door piece. So we're just going to come in from the top, both sides. And there we have that. Here's the comparison between the two. So almost the same size, but it should be a lot brighter. Oh wow, yeah, that's blindingly bright compared to the original. We'll do a comparison test. We'll do one side of the vehicle and the other side of the vehicle, and we'll see how bright they are at night, so we can see how much different it is with this upgrade. It's a little difficult to get out. Use a bit of persuasion here. So the best way to take this out is to push it in and then pull it out. That's how this comes out. Alrighty, it's nighttime now, and this is the original amber looking color. And this is on the right side of the truck. And if we head over to the driver's side, wow, it is substantial how bright it is. And if we're looking at the back seats here, look at that difference. If you look here on this side, it's super dull and orange, but on this side, it's nice and bright and white. It's a significant upgrade between the two, light versus dark. And then for the rear, again, you have a pretty significant difference between the white and the amber color. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the giveaway that we had on the last video. So let's go ahead and find out who won the light bar. Alrighty, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and we're going to find out who won the LED light strip giveaway. So we're putting in the link, and we are going to generate all the comments. And so here we go. Alrighty, now let's start that random winner pick. And congratulations to Paul H. You have been selected as the winner of the giveaway. So I'll be reaching out to you. Everyone else, thank you so much for participating in the giveaway. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, but find my videos useful, please go ahead and do that right now. Leave a comment down below if you guys have any thoughts or ideas of what you guys would like for me to do next, and hit that like button. See you all on the next project.